in the question number 16 that I have taught you, that how to convert one unit into another unit. Means as per that method we have done the match the following, right? Now in this video I am going to start the solve the problems, means story sums. So let's start. Number 1 is in the long jump, that means this sum is given for the long jump. Information is given about the long jump. In the long jump for the boys, Manu had the longest jump, that is 3 meter and 60 centimeter. Sonu came second. Sonu came second. But we don't know the exact length for Sonu. Right? He jumped 17 centimeter less than Manu. Golu came third. He jumped 3 meter 31 centimeter. Then what is the difference between the long jumps of Sonu and Golu? This is little bit different sum. See what is given. The length for the long jump of Manu is given, that is 3 meter 60 centimeter. Sonu came second, but we don't know the exact length of jump of Sonu. So that we need to find first. And one statement is given that he jumped, he means Sonu jumped 17 centimeter less than Manu. So till this we have to solve this sentence, right? So we can do one thing. From this Manu, means from this jump of Manu, we can subtract this 17 centimeter, which is less than the Manu, so that we can find the actual length of this Sonu, right? Means of this Sonu's jump. So we can write the sentence like this way, that length of Manu's jump. So length of Manu's jump is 3 meter and 60 centimeter. So we have to write in the bifurcation meter and centimeter. This bifurcation we need to do. 3 we will write in the meter and 60 will come in the centimeter. And now 17 centimeter less than Manu, of whose? Sonu's. So we can write that length of Sonu's jump. We are doing subtraction here. 17 centimeter. See, only centimeter is given, so this will be empty. Now we have to do the subtraction. We can't subtract the 7 from 0, so borrow number 10 and one number less than the 6, that is 5. So 10 minus 7, that is 3. 5 minus 1, 4 will come, and this we will copy same. So this is our answer. But this is not our final answer. This we have to find the length of Sonu's jump. This we have to find the length of Sonu's jump. Length of Sonu's jump. Which is length of Sonu's jump, we have find that 3 meter and 43 centimeter. Now what we have to do? We have to find the final answer. So you can able to see that Golu came third. Golu came third. That means he jumped 3 meter and 31 centimeter. Then what is the difference between the long jumps of Sonu and Golu? Means we need to make comparison. We need to find the difference between Sonu's jump and Golu's jump. So just now we have find the jump of Sonu. This is the jump of Sonu, and we are having the second jump of Golu. So we can find the difference between them. So which is the big from this two? 3 meter 43 centimeter, 3 meter 31 centimeter. So we can able to see this is 43, this is 31. Right? That means this jump is big, means Sonu's jump is big, or else we can say long than this Golu. So we can do one thing. We have find that length of Sonu's jump, and we have to make bifurcation in meter and centimeter. So Sonu's jump is 3 meter and 43 centimeter, and Golu's jump is length of Golu's jump, that is 3 meter, 3 meter and 31 centimeter. We will put subtraction sign. We will put subtraction sign because difference we are finding. So 3 minus 1 we will get 2, 4 minus 3 we will get 1, and 3 minus 3 we will get 0. So answer we got of subtraction is 12. But this 12 is centimeter. This 12 is in centimeter. So we can write here that the difference is of 12 centimeter. Now number 2. In the high jump, information is given about the high jump. For boys, Hiren jumped 1 meter 20 centimeter and Suresh jumped 5 centimeter less than him. That means Suresh jumped 5 centimeter less than Hiren, and Mahesh jumped 1 meter 9 centimeter. So this is the length of Mahesh jump. Then what is the difference between the high jumps of Suresh and Mahesh? So same kind of one number, the second number will come. So first of all we need to find the length of the Suresh jump, right? Because we don't have the actual length. So we can write like this, we write length of Hiren's jump. So it is already given, but we have to write in the bifurcation meter and centimeter. So 1 meter and 20 centimeter. Now 5 centimeter less word is given. So obviously we have to do subtraction. Means we need to subtract this 5 from this. And this 5 is of Suresh. So length of Suresh's jump, which is given 5 centimeter less. So 5 will come in centimeter. There is no any number here. So you can put 0 for your easiness. Now subtraction. This is not simple subtraction. This 5 we can't subtract from the 0. So take border number 10. Cut 2. Put one number less, that is 1. So 10 minus 5, 5, and 1 minus 0, 1. And this 1 and 0 means 1 minus 0, 0. Put subtraction sign because we are doing subtraction. So this is your answer of this subtraction sum. But this is we have find for the length of Suresh. Length of Suresh jump. And you can mention in the bifurcation 1 meter and 15 centimeter. This is the jump of Suresh. Now what we have to find? We have to find the difference between high jumps of Suresh and Mahesh. And already Mahesh jump is given 1 meter and 9 centimeter. So we have to take this and this. So from this both of this, which is big? 1 meter 9 centimeter, 1 meter 15 centimeter. So whose jump is big or else long? So Suresh's jump is long. So we can write this length of Suresh's jump. In bifurcation we have to do meter and centimeter. So 1 meter and 15 centimeter we will write first. 1 meter 15 centimeter. From that we can subtract this 1 meter and 9 centimeter. Length of Mahesh jump 1 meter 9 centimeter. There is no need, 0 is given here, but you have to write in this manner. Subtraction side. Now do subtraction. 15 we have to take because from the 5 we can't subtract the 9. So 15 we have to take and cut this 0, cut this 1, put 0, which is 1 number less than the 1. Now 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9. So answer will come 6. And 0 minus 0, answer will come 0. And 1 minus 1, 0. So that we have find the answer only 6. 6 is in centimeter. So we can write 6 centimeter. So this is the difference between Suresh and Mahesh. Difference between Mahesh and Suresh. That is 6 centimeter. So this is your final answer. See that both the sums which I have explained to you, that's all the problems are of question number 18. And this sum from that third number is very easy as like number 1 and number 2. So you can do by yourself. And this question I have written, it is of question number 17 from your workbook. So the question is the Eiffel Tower of Paris is 330 meter high. And the tallest building of New York is of 320 meter. Then how much tall is the Eiffel Tower than that building? So this building of New York, that name we don't have, but measurement we are having, which is of 320 meter tall. So from both of this number, which number is big? We can able to find the difference that this is 330. This is 320 meter. So from this 330 is high or else big. So from this we can subtract this. Subtraction only we need to perform because we need to find the difference. So we can write this sentence like this way. The length of Eiffel Tower is 330 meter and the length of the building of New York is 320 meter. So subtraction sign we are putting. 0 minus 0, 0, 3 minus 2, 1 and 3 minus 3, that is 0. So that 10 meter answer we have got. So what we have to find? How much tall is the Eiffel Tower than that building? So we can write the sentence like this way at the end of this sum, that the Eiffel Tower is 10 meter tall than that building. So this is our answer, right? So I hope that all you have understood this story sums very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.